This is for informational purposes only. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. How urine is produced. A step-by-step guide. Urine production is a complex process that involves the kidneys, nephrons, and bladder. Here's a breakdown of how it works. The role of kidneys. 1. Filtering blood. The kidneys are the primary organs responsible for filtering waste products and excess water from the blood. 1. They receive blood from the renal arteries, which carry waste-filled blood from the body. 1. Maintaining balance. Kidneys also play a vital role in maintaining the body's electrolyte balance, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones like erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production. The role of nephrons. 1. Tiny filters. Nephrons are the functional units of the kidneys, responsible for the actual filtration process. 1. Each kidney contains millions of nephrons. 1. Filtration. Blood enters the nephron, where it is filtered in a structure called the glomerulus. 1. This process removes waste products, excess water, and other substances from the blood. 1. Reabsorption. As the filtered fluid, filtrate, flows through the renal tubules, essential substances like glucose, amino acids, and water are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. 1. Secretion. Waste products that were not filtered in the glomerulus, such as certain drugs and toxins, are secreted into the tubules by the surrounding cells. The role of the bladder. 1. Storage. The bladder is a muscular organ that stores urine until it's ready to be eliminated. 1. Expulsion. When the bladder fills, nerve signals trigger the urge to urinate. 1. The muscles in the bladder wall contract, and the sphincter muscles relax, allowing urine to flow out of the body through the urethra. In summary, 1. Blood enters the kidneys. Waste-filled blood is carried to the kidneys. 1. Filtration. Nephrons filter the blood, removing waste products and excess water. 1. Reabsorption. Essential substances are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. 1. Secretion. Additional waste products are secreted into the tubules. 1. Urine formation. The remaining fluid, now called urine, flows through the collecting ducts into the ureters. 1. Storage. Urine travels through the ureters to the bladder for storage. 1. Urination. When the bladder is full, urine is expelled through the urethra. The kidneys, nephrons, and bladder work together to ensure the efficient removal of waste products and maintain the body's fluid balance. Sources and related